What's up, y'all? Welcome back to another video. We got another bike. We got it right here. I'm gonna give y'all just a second to guess what it is. You got 3, 2, 1. If you guessed RedStar, you got it right. Let's go ahead and get into this video. Now, while I'm unboxing this bike, I'm gonna just do a fast forward or a time lapse through it. And yeah, I hope y'all enjoy that. This brings back so many memories, guys, from when I first unboxed my first RedStar. Dude, this is crazy. It looks huge too. Like, this seat looks really high. Dude, I'm actually so excited. I got my Q20 in January. Dude, this looks huge. Like, this box is really big. I don't even know why. But yeah, let's keep unboxing it. Alright, y'all, so it's the next day. I've already ridden this bike a little bit. I rode it a bunch yesterday, but I didn't want to really record yesterday because I was like exhausted from the mix of school and then building the bike after school. So I just went cruising yesterday. And honestly, this is a really fun bike. But I don't want to just leave y'all at that. I'm going to go ride the bike and I'm going to show y'all like what I like about it, you know? Alright, so we're not going to be taking the usual route in this video that I normally take in my videos. We're going in a completely different area. So I hope I don't get lost or anything because I don't really ride over in this area much. But yeah, on the way, I'm going to just tell y'all like the specs of this bike and all that. And yeah, let's go ahead and go over there. Alright, so this is the RedStar Q50. I don't really think I specified that in the intro. I think I just said RedStar. But yeah, this is the Q50. It's their brand new model. It is 48 volt, 25 amp hour, and 2,000 watts. So it's 500 more watts than the Q20 and 5 more amp hour. So you get a complete power upgrade. And this bike is cheaper than my Q20 was. This is $850 off their website. And my Q20, I got it for $930 on Amazon. They don't sell this on Amazon. So if you want this bike, click the link in the description or in my bio, and you can go check out this bike. I don't have a discount code for it. I'm just an affiliate. And they sent me out this bike. But this bike is like, it's like it's the same frame as the Q20 and all, but it has more power. I am gonna mod this, but I'm not gonna mod it near as much as I did the Q20 because I don't want to drop $1,000 on mods again. So yeah, I'm gonna do some like minor upgrades, kind of like I did on the TST last video. I think I'm gonna keep these brakes. I really like these brakes. They're really good. But yeah, I'm excited to mod this bike and stuff. We have another review video next week. and we should have another one the week after. So we'll have a few review videos coming soon. And after that third review video, so not next week and not the week after, but the week after that, we're gonna do the RedStar modding video, assuming I can get enough money. So yeah, super excited for that. Super excited to see what all I can do to this bike. I'm thinking more of a chrome build, because I think that looks like really cool. But we'll have to see. Also, it's got the half twist throttle just like the Q20, but I have an extra throttle at the house I'm gonna be putting on. So I'm gonna have a surround throttle on this, so it should be way better. But I can't wait to get this bike built. It's gonna look amazing. Another couple of differences I noticed outside of power is the headlight is different. It's like more of a ring light, how you see like influencers use, like for like TikTok and stuff. And then the side panels, like the side mud guards are different, or like the side fenders. I don't really know what they're called. Dude, nobody wants to stop today. Stop and let the little e-biker go. We're about to hop onto the bike lane. We're gonna be riding like more main road areas today because I'm heading over to my buddy's house because we're gonna be hanging out there. So yeah, we're on the way over there. I can definitely tell that this bike does feel a little more powerful. But yeah, it's probably not gonna hit top speed with me on it because I'm a little heavier. But somebody that's lighter will definitely be able to probably hit the 35 miles an hour. Parked in the bike lane, bro, come on. Gotta get back in the bike lane. But dude, this bike is so fun. And it feels big too. Like if you're a taller rider, this is definitely something good for you. Like I would definitely recommend it. It's got a super nice horn too. Very loud. Also, I was riding yesterday on my Q20 because this died after riding like a little while because I didn't get it fully charged from building it. I was just wanting to take it out for a little ride. So I was just riding, and the second I got on the bike, like I left my house and then somebody threw a McDonald's cup at me. They completely missed, like they had an awful aim. But they threw a McDonald's cup at me and my buddy, and it was like full of like water or Sprite or something. And then later on, we were just riding in this bike lane, literally right here, this one. And some other dude honked and flipped us off. I'm like, what the heck is wrong with people, you know? Gotta wait at the light. Not used to doing this. Unless I'm driving. I don't think I've ever been to a light on my bike other than like today and yesterday coming over here. It's super windy and it looks like it's about to storm. So I really hope we can make it over there on time, because that would really suck if we got caught in a storm in an area that I don't know too well. I don't even know what neighborhood to turn into. I'm just kind of going until I feel like it's the right time to turn, you know? I hope I guess it right though. It's really fun to ride on these main roads. I don't do this often. Unless, obviously, I'm driving, but, you know. I don't really do it on these little street legal bikes. I'm also riding against wind right now, so I'm sorry if it's, like, really windy. I honestly don't know if I'm in the right area, so I'm just kind of guessing here. I have no idea if I'm in the right spot. I need to look at my map, but I don't know the address or anything. I'm probably about to call my buddy and see where I need to go. All right, so I went the complete wrong direction. I'm in the right neighborhood, but I made the wrong turn. So we're gonna head the right way this time. And yeah, I'll catch y'all when I get there. All right, so I'm not there yet, but I don't know if y'all can tell or not, but it's starting to rain a lot. Or not a lot, but it's like I'm driving right into it, so it hurts really bad. All right, y'all, so I just got here. There's the rain starting to pick up a little bit, so I'm gonna go ahead and go inside. If y'all are interested in the RedStar Q20 or the RedStar Q50 or any other RedStar, like the Q20 or the Q30 or anything like that, go ahead and click the link in the description. Go check them out. I really recommend. And yeah, with that, I'll see you on the next one. Peace.